Today we will enable VoLTE on my Pixel 7 Pro. I am using Grameenphone, Skito and Airtel. For this, we need to go to Shijuku and click on pairing. Uh, Make sure you have enabled developer option before pressing here. So click on developer option. I have already enabled my developer option on my phone by clicking build version. Now here I need to enable USB debugging, pressing OK. Now I need to enable wireless debugging and then click on wireless debugging. After going to wireless debugging, I need to click on pair with pairing code. If I click here, a notification will appear right after clicking here. So enter pairing code. I will click here and enter the pair code showing on my device. It's 861121. After entering the code here, 861121, I need to click the arrow icon on the right. So it will start the Shijuku service. We can pull down the notification center and we can see this. So let's pull down from the top left of the notification. So here we can see pairing successful. You can start Shijuku service now. So now I will go back to Shijuku here. So let's go back to Shijuku. The Shijuku app is already running on background. So here I will click start. So we will see terminal here. It will be closed within 3 seconds. After clicking, after 3 seconds, I will go back to automatically Shijuku home screen. You can see Shijuku is running. Now I will go to Pixel IMS application, which I have downloaded from the Play Store. So here is the So here is the Pixel IMS app. Now I click to refresh on the top right refresh icon. So I have already enabled VoLTE. You can see IMS status enabled here and there. Now I will click on SIM 1 and I will enable VoLTE. It's already enabled because it's working fine here. And I will go down and I will enable another option which is called let me see where it is. It is maybe called Pixel IMS or something. It should be near here. Yeah, this one. Show IMS status in SIM info. I will on this enable this. And I will go to my Airtel SIM sorry, and I will enable this again here. So let's find it here. It should be near in the bottom of the option. You have show IMS info in SIM. So this is how IMS status will be registered. You will see it. If you don't see the IMS status registered, you might need to restart your phone once or twice.